What's going on? Chrisyg, volume 3. Done now. I've done the locks. I've done the bike locks. Now I was moving up to the house locks. The front door locks. See them? It's all about picking them. Locked. Becky sent off for me. Got some lock picking equipment now. The one I like to use is the rake. Can you see that? And a little tension bar. So that's your lock here, basically. It's all the lock. Let's have a look so you lot can see. Put my thing in. My wrench. Put my wrench in. Alright, let's go. Done. If you see that? Turning now. Job done. Picked. Lock again. Cannot turn. Not one bit. I'll pick it again. Put a wrench in that. Done again. Get me house locks now. Rude boy, get me. Volume 3. Chrisyg and I'm